Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how to protect your treasured old beauty while cruising the American highways? Well, look no further, because today we're diving into the world of insuring your beloved vintage wheels. Welcome to this informative video guide on how to get insurance for your old car in the United States. Whether you own a classic '68 Mustang or a vintage '57 Chevy, we've got you covered. Let's rev up those engines and get started with step-by-step guide. Step 1. Research and compare insurance plans. First things first, let's hit the road by researching and comparing different insurance plans. Just like you'd shop around for the best engine parts, you'll want to explore various insurance options. Check out different providers, compare coverage, and consider customer reviews. Remember, a smooth ride starts with a solid insurance plan. Step 2. Determine the value of your classic. Time to put on your classic car detective hat. Before you dive into the insurance world, determine the current market value of your vintage gem. As the years roll by, the value changes, and this IDV, Insured Declared Value, is crucial in calculating your premium. So, grab your magnifying glass and let's get that value locked in. Step 3. Factor in depreciation rate. Just like an old school cassette tape, the value of your classic car depreciates over time. When it comes to claims, some insurers factor in this depreciation, which can affect your payout. So, be in the know about the depreciation rate specific to your vehicle. It's like knowing the road conditions ahead. Step 4. Explore add-on coverage. Now, let's take your insurance to the next gear. Consider add-ons to enhance your coverage. Think of them as those fancy custom rims for your policy. Engine protection, passenger cover, and consumables coverage are like the premium features of your insurance world. While it might bump up the premium slightly, these add-ons can be a game changer in the long run. Step 5. Embrace your claim history. Remember all those memorable journeys you've had in your classic? Well, your claim history can earn you some brownie points. If you've been cruising without claims, you might be eligible for a no-claim bonus discount. Up to a whopping 50% discount, depending on your claim-free years. It's like earning a gold star for being a responsible driver. Step 6. Uncover additional discounts. Who doesn't love a good deal? Well, it's time to score more discounts by installing anti-theft or security devices on your classic car. Not only does this protect your ride from sticky-fingered troublemakers, but it can also lower your insurance premium. Think of it as a win-win for you and your classic. Step 7. Check the claim settlement process. Now, let's talk about peace of mind. Before you pick your insurance provider, dive into their claim settlement process. You want a smooth ride when it comes to claims, right? Look for an insurer with a hassle-free and quick turnaround for claim settlement. It's like having a pit crew that knows exactly what they're doing. Step 8. Transfer or buy new policy. Last pit stop, folks. If you've just become the proud owner of a second-hand classic, you've got a choice to make. You can either transfer the existing insurance policy within 14 days of purchase or buy a new policy altogether. It's like choosing between a fresh coat of paint or preserving the original vintage charm. And there you have it, a bumper-to-bumper guide on how to get insurance for your old car in the United States. From researching and comparing plans to cruising down memory lane with those claim bonuses, you're now armed with the knowledge to protect your classic beauty. So, go on, hit the open road with confidence. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.